In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we carve a Sueno Del Amor love spoon in a minimalist style. Our Sueno Del Amor love spoon is one of the most popular designs that we do in our online love spoon shop. We offer it in both oak and mahogany, and we also offer two different carving styles that we use here at the Love Spoon workshop. We call them our traditional style and our minimalist style. And for those of you who don't know what the difference is, the traditional style is with more depth and a little bit more of a bevel on the finish of the hearts. The minimalist style, that is done with slightly less depth and less of a bevel on the finish of the heart. It is a slightly more simple finish. And the nice thing with hand carving love spoons, you can offer different styles. Some people prefer a more detailed and more depth to the carving, as others prefer something just a little bit more simple. The love spoon that you can see us carving in this video, it was actually ordered by one of our latest YouTube subscribers. Over a very brief email conversation, we happened to mention that we had a YouTube channel for our family workshop, and we mentioned, would you like to see your love spoon being hand carved? So that's one of the great things about having a YouTube channel as a family business. You were able to actually show somebody how their own love spoon has been hand carved here at the Love Spoon workshop. For those of you who are interested in the meaning of Sueño del Amor, it's the Spanish for, well, literal translation is dreams of the love. Love's dream, basically. So that was the idea behind that name. We felt that it was appropriate for this contemporary design. Thank you all again for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. We'll be back again soon with more wood carving projects. Our next video, that is going to be quite a special project, so make sure you tune in for that. Anyone who's new, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back again soon with more videos. Thank you all again.